Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancers. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Cancers. These are for your daily energies, Cancers. I'll be picking one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck. So that will be a general guidance. It may or may not relate to our situation, guys. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Cancers. So for your daily energies, what are the cards? It's Six of Wands in reverse, the Devil in reverse, and Justice. So with these cards, Cancers, in your situation today, this may relate to your career situation or your personal life. In your situation, Cancers, maybe you have some habits you want to overcome. This may be, for some of you, it may be something healthy. Maybe you are exercising, following some diet, some health oriented habits. But if it is something bad, which is some negative habits that you want to overcome, you have to try. You are trying, I see, you are making those efforts. You have fear in your situation. You are afraid how things may go in your future, and you want to overcome the situation, turn the situation around, have that healthy lifestyle. So you are trying to overcome these habits, but you are unable to. You don't have that strength, you may feel, guys. So that is what I see with this card, Cancers. So you do not have the strength to overcome these habits. So you are trying really hard. You may be taking people's help. Sorry, guys. People's help. Maybe you may be getting suggestions from this person you are in connection with, or your friends, or your colleagues, whoever it is. And Cancers, you are trying to restore that balance and harmony in your situation, guys. You have great responsibility in your situation, and you want to get back to that healthy lifestyle, and you are thinking, and you want that clear thinking in your situation, and you are trying to change your ways. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So you are making in great efforts, but maybe for some of you, you may find it really difficult to overcome these addictions you may be having, guys. So what is the card for your career situation, Cancers? King of Cups in reverse. So with this card, guys, this may relate to what you feel in your work situation. There are people in your situation, maybe this may be the colleagues you are working with, or your mentors, or the people working under you, employees. They may not be putting in equal effort just like you. Maybe you are doing your work, trying really hard, working with that determination and 100% concentration, but the people in your work situation, they are not putting in efforts just like you. So you may be seeing some loss. Maybe you may feel that your work has not been reciprocated equally with that result. So something is missing, you may feel, in your work, some kind of loss. Maybe you feel that you have wasted your time and energy to do so much, but the results are not up to that level of expectation. So something is upsetting in your career situation. It may be because of the people you work with, or it may again be because of the way you lead your lifestyle, maybe because of those addictions. That may be the reason for these troubles in your career situation, Cancers. So what is the card for your relationship? It's Knight of Pentacles. So with this card, guys, you are a person, you know where you are headed, what is your goal, and what path you want, and what is that you want with this person. So you have that clarity in your mind. You know what you are attracted to in this person. Maybe for some of you it may be a physical attraction, maybe for some of you it may be their character, or the way your connection is, that bond. Maybe some of you share a very deep bond with this person. That may be the reason for this connection, and you are making those efforts to be with this person, to have that beautiful relationship with this person. You are really trying hard. That is what I see with that card, Cancer. So let us see what is the card for your angel guidance, guys. That is what I see for your reading, guys. So this card may or may not relate to your situation today, Cancers, but it is a guidance. So what we need to do to make our day a better one. So when we adapt this guidance in our life, it will help us every day, guys. So what is the card? Face your challenges. Such an apt card for this reading, guys. So whatever we are facing right now, we need to have that courage and strength in our hearts, determination to face our situation, guys. We face so many challenges in life, small and big, all throughout our life. So all these challenges, we can see it as formidable challenges that we cannot overcome, or something as an opportunity to make us grow much more stronger than before. So we also face internal challenges. Maybe we have fears, and we may feel weak in certain situations, and we need to overcome all that also. So we have to have that strength and determination today, endurance in our situation, to overcome all these obstacles or stressful situations that we face in our life, in our everyday life. So how we can do that? We have to see these struggles and stress as an opportunity to grow, not as unsurmountable obstacles. So you have to see that as an opportunity to learn and grow. So we have to face that situation with that courage, confidence, and determination. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we have to change that attitude we have in ourselves, give up that old habits and old beliefs, and find that inner strength to face that challenge with courage. So that is what this card is about, and that is the guidance for us, Cancers, in our situation. So that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.